C, D, E, F, G, H.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
A,
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider
B,
went up the spout again.
C, D,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
E,
Came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the
F,
spout again.
G, H,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain
red color,
and washed the spider out. Out
pink color,
came the sun and dried up all the rain.
orange color,
And the itsy bitsy spider
brown color,
the spout again.
blue color, purple color, yellow color, green color,
A is for alligator. A for apple, adorable apple picking adventure.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
A is for apple,
The wheels on the bus.
B is for ball. B, bouncy ball fun with friends.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all
B is for ball,
down.
C is for cat.
The wheels on the bus.
C, cuddly cat playtime.
The wheels on the bus.
C is for cat,
Yeah. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
D is for doll.
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All
D, delightful doll dress up.
the wheels on the bus.
D is for dog,
Yeah.
E is for egg. E, exciting Easter egg hunt.
E is for elephants,
The bus go up and down
F is for frog.
and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
F, fantastic frog and toad tails.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
F is for fish,
And on his farm he had
G is for glass.
E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a there. A
G,
everywhere.
giggly glass painting art.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
G is for gorilla,
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
H is for hat.
And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O, with a
H, happy hat making for kids.
there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
H is for horse. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,